Hello everyone, welcome to my maths classes. This is your Sarke sir. Dear friends, in this session we are going to discuss problems in exercise 2.4 related to linear equations in one variable. Is it? So, in that the question number 6 is, in class 8 we are going to discuss exercise 2.4 remaining problems. Okay. In that question number 6, in first 5 questions we have discussed in the previous sessions. Is it? If you do not follow those videos, please do watch those videos and continue this video. Okay. Then, okay, now come to the point. Now question number 6 is, this is the question related to age related question. So Mary is twice older than her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Then find how old are they both now. That means you have to find their present ages. So here, what is the relationship between Mary and the sister? They are given sisters. Okay, they are sisters. Okay. So now you have to consider the age of sister be X, and then the age of Mary will be twice their sister. So 2 times. Okay, so that let the age of her sister or Mary's sister be X years. Okay, let the age of her sister be X years. Then what is the age of Mary? Then age of Mary will be, okay, 2x years. How many years? 2x years. The age of Mary will be 2x years. Now thing is, here 5 years time. What is the meaning of 5 years time here? 5 years time means after 5 years. What are their ages? Okay, their present ages are, these are the present ages. If we consider the present age of our sister X years, then the age of Mary will be 2x years. After 5 years means, here it is the present age. Here the present age of her sister be X years, then the age of Mary will be 2x years. Okay, clear. Now, after 5 years, what are their ages? After 5 years, what are their ages? Then, age of Mary will be, how many? Age of Mary will be, after 5 years means that our age becomes 2x plus 5 years. Am I correct? Yes. 2x plus 5 years. For example, my age is now 30 years. Then after 5 years, my age will be 30 plus 5. Similarly, here Mary age is 2x years. Then after 5 years, our age will be 2x plus 5 years. Is it now? Okay. Now, this is the Mary's age. Now, what is her sister's age? After 5 years, then age of her sister will be, and age of her sister will be how much? Yes, X plus 5 years. How many years? X plus 5 years. Now according to problem, they said that the condition is 2 years older than her sister. 2 years older than her sister. Whose age? She will be 2 years older than her sister. Older than means greater than. Okay, more than. She is 2 years older than her sister. Then, according to problem, her condition is, the condition is age of Mary is equal to age of her sister plus 2 years. Age of her sister plus 2 years. Is it or not? Age of her sister plus 2 years, because 2 years older than her sister. Is it? Now, what is the age of Mary after 5 years? So 2x plus 5. This is the condition in 5 years time. Means after 5 years. Okay. So 2x plus 5 is equal to, what is the age of her sister? Age of her sister is how much? X plus 5 plus 2. Okay. Now, if we simplify, 2x plus 5 is equal to, clear? It is age of Mary. It is age of sister plus 2 years older, so I added 2. Okay. Now x plus 7. Now transposing variables one side and constants other side, then it becomes 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 5. 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 5. Now 2x minus x value is how much? X. 7 minus 2. Sorry, 7 minus 5, 2. So x is equal to 2. Here what is the meaning of x? Yes. X means her sister's age. What is x? Her sister's age. Therefore, Mary's sister's age. Mary's sister age is how much? X is equal to 2 years. How many years? X is equal to 2 years. I am writing clearly here. X is equal to 2 years. What is this 2 years? Mary's sister age of Mary's sister. Now what is Mary's age? Now Mary's present age is, now what is the Mary's present age? Twice 2x. So that is equal to 2 into 2. That is equal to 4 years. Okay, clear? Now they asked us to find how old are they. Both now they are, Mary is 4 years old and her sister's age is 2 years. So that Mary is 4 years old, her sister is 2 years old. So final answer is 4 comma 2 years. So 4 years comma 2 years. 4 years comma 2 years. Is it clear, my dear students? Yes. This is about the solution of question number 6. Now we will solve question number 7. Okay friends, now come to the question number 7. That is, in 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. See, the meaning of the sentence is, how old is she now? At present, what is her age? So first let me consider her age will be, let present age of Reshma, let present age of Reshma be x years. Let present age of Reshma be x years. Okay, clear? Now the meaning of the question is, in 5 years time, is after 5 years, Reshma will be 3 times old. Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. Ago means previous, means past. 9 years ago. 9 years back, her age is equal to, after 5 years, triple, 3 times. Okay. So what is the her age 9 years ago? Yes. 9 years ago her age is, 9 years ago her age is how much? X minus, yes, x minus 9 years. X minus 9 years. Is it? X minus 9 years. Her age is x minus 9 years. 9 years ago. In 5 years time is after 5 years. This is her present age is x. 9 years ago her age is x minus 9. Ago means subtraction. Present my age is 30. 9 years ago my age was how much? 30 minus 9. 21. Similarly, here Reshma's present age is, Reshma యొక్క ప్రస్తుత వయస్సు ఎంత? present age x years. 9 years ago means 9 years back. 9 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం, 9 years back her age was x minus 9 years. Was. Okay. 9 years her age was x minus 9 years. Now after 5 years, what is her age? After 5 years, what is her age? Present age is x. After 5 years, x plus 5 years. Her age is how much? Her age will be x plus 5 years. Okay, clear? Her age will be x plus 5 years. Present x undi. Future lo ante 5 years tarvata enta? X plus 5. 9 years back enta? X minus 9 years. Okay, idi clear. Now what is the condition? Ee renditi yokka connection enti? Then what is the condition? Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. Reshma age after 5 years ఎలా ఉందంటే 3 times ఉంది. దేనికి? When she was 9 years ago. When her age was 9 years ago. అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years రేష్మా ఏజ్ ఎంత ఉందంటే 3 times of her age 9 years ago. That is the condition. So according to problem, the condition is, I am telling in English, age of, after 5 years, her age is equal to 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. Her age before 9 years or 9 years ago. After 5 years, her age how much? X plus 5. Is it? So x plus 5 is equal to 3 times. So 3 into her age before 9 years. Present x before 9 years how much? X minus 9. Clear? So after 5 years, 5 years తర్వాత ఏజ్ అనేది ఎలా ఉందంటే 9 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఏజ్ కి 3 times ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. 3 times old as she was. Okay. So after 5 years, her age is equal to 3 times of her age before 9 years or 9 years ago. So this is one. Now simplification. We got a linear equation, one variable. The variable is present on either side of equal sign. Is it? So that x plus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3 into 9, 27 according to distributive property. Now shift x to right hand side, minus 27 to left hand side. Then it becomes, so 5 plus 27 is equal to 3x minus x. 5 plus 27 is equal to 3x minus x. So 5 plus 27 is how much? 32 is equal to 2x. 32 is equal to 2x. Then x is equal to 32 by 2. And x is equal to how much? 32 by 2. Then x is equal to, here 32 is divided by 2. 2 divided 32 16 times. 16 times. Now what is x? We got here the value of x is 16. By transposing variables on and we after simplification we got the value of x is equal to 16. Actually what is x? Yes. Present age of Reshma. What is x? Present age of Reshma. Therefore, present age of Reshma is equal to, the aspirant should find how old is she now. Now means present, prastutam. So present age of Reshma is equal to, therefore present age of Reshma is equal to 16 years. This is the conclusion. You should write like this. Okay, clear? So here this sentence you have to understand clearly. Then only we can write the relation. And we can write an equation in terms of x according to the given condition. Is it? So if you do not have idea about this terminology and connection between the these ages, you may not solve. Okay. So please focus on reading the question and try to write the equation according to the given condition. Okay, clear? Now we have one more problem in this exercise, that also we will solve now itself, and by that problem we can complete this exercise. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to start question number 8. The solution of question number 8 is the most important and simple logic is there in that question. My dear students, I hope you are all following my videos. If you do not subscribe, please subscribe our channel. Not only subscribing our channel, please share with your friends and also like our classes, and don't forget to put the comment about our videos in comments box. Okay. Okay, then now see, this is the last problem in this exercise 2.4. yeah, in this question is related to population. Okay, so a town's population increased by 1200 people. A town's population increased by 1200 people. Increased means more than. And then this new population decreased 11%. After that what happened? 11% is decreased. Okay, this is first sentence. Next, the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Actually here, it is comma, that a town's population increased by 1200 people. And then what happened? this new people, this new population, they decreased by 11%. At that case, at that moment, now the town had 32 people less than it did before 1200 increase. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ పీపుల్ ఎలా ఉన్నారంటే 32 మెంబర్స్ లెస్ ఉన్నారు ఎప్పుడు, when it was increased by 1200 people before that. Okay, so town's population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased by 11%. Okay, actually then what did we ask? Find the original population. Find the original population. So let the original population be, let the original population be, let the original population be x years. Okay, this is first one. Clear? Now the next statement is a town's population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased 11%. Okay, clear? అంటే ఆ టౌన్ పాపులేషన్ ఎంత పెరిగింది, 1200 పీపుల్ పెరిగింది. ఆ 1200 పెరిగిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది, దిస్ న్యూ పాపులేషన్ డిక్రీజ్ 11%. ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ 1200 పీపుల్ we get new population. How much? X plus 1200. Okay, in that 11% decreased. ఆ న్యూ పాపులేషన్ 11% డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. అయిన తర్వాత ఏమైందంటే దానికి దేంతో లింక్అప్ చేశాడు, ద టౌన్ నౌ హ్యాడ్ 32 లెస్ పీపుల్ than it did before the 1200 increase. 1200 increase చేయక ముందు ఎంత పాపులేషన్ ఉంది, యాక్చువల్ గా x ఉంది, దానిలో 32 మెంబర్స్ తక్కువ అయ్యారు అని అంటున్నాడు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు 1200 ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాడు కదా. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం వాట్ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ ఇస్ సి the population 1200 is increased. So actually present population is x, in that case 1200 is increased. Okay, clear? Now in this case 11% is decreased. 11% of x plus 1200 is decreased. So 11% of the people is decreased. Now this people, this number of people is equal to, now the town now had 32 less people than before 1200 increase. 1200 increase చేయక ముందు పాపులేషన్ ఎంత ఉంది, x ఏ ఉంది. ఓకే, దానిలో ఎంతమంది తగ్గారట, 32 మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్డ్, 32 మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ లెస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్. నౌ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ యు హావ్ టు సాల్వ్. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ x plus 1200? x plus 1200 is new population. x plus 1200 is new population is here, x plus 1200. Okay, new population is here how much, x plus 1200. In this new population 11% decreased. Okay, 11% of these people decreased. This is equal to, here the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. 1200 increase కాక ముందు ఎంత ఉంది, పాపులేషన్ x ఉంది. ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ 1200 న్యూ పాపులేషన్ x plus 1200. దీనిలో 32 మెంబర్స్ తక్కువ ఉన్నారు అంటున్నాడు, 32 less people are there. Okay, clear? So now x plus 1200 minus 11% of x plus 1200 is equal to x minus 32. Now we have to solve this question, this equation. Okay, so we have to try to get x plus 1200. We have to solve it. We have to try to get the value of x. So 11% means x, 11 by 100 into x plus 12 is equal to x minus 32. Okay, clear? Now x plus 1200 is common factor here. So I take out x plus 1200. The remaining one is 1 minus 11 by 100. 1 minus 11 by 100, that is equal to x minus 32. 1 minus 11 by 100 is how much? So x plus 1200 into, it is 89 by 100. Am I correct? That is equal to x minus 32. So by taking LCM, 100 minus 11, 99 by 100. Now better cross multiply. Okay, x plus 1200 into 89. Okay, so x plus 1200 into 89 is equal to 100 into x minus 32. 100 into x minus 32. 100 into x minus 32. Clear? 100 into x minus 32. So numerator x plus 1200 into 89 by 100 means 100 is shift to that side. So by cross multiplication, we get like this. Okay, 100 into the s minus 32. Okay. Now, according to distributive property, we have to multiply 89 into x, 89x plus 1200 into 89. Okay. So 1200 means we will get obviously 2 zeros. 12 9s are 108. So in 108 units it is right here. Remaining is 10. 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96 plus 10 106. Okay. This is left hand side part. Okay. Now right hand side one is 100 into x 100x minus 100 into 32 3200. Okay, clear? Now better by transposing variables one side and constants other side, shift 89x to right hand side and minus 3200 to left hand side, then it becomes 1,68,000. I am sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakhs. 1,06,800. I am sorry, 1,06,800 plus 3,200 is equal to 100x. Keep as it is, and we are sending 89x to right hand side minus 89x. Now, if you add, you will get here. How much you get? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means 0 here, 1 here. So 4 plus 6, 10, again 1, 1. So how much? 1,10,000 we get. 1,10,000 is equal to here 11x. 1,10,000 is equal to 11x. Now x is equal to 1,10,000 by 11. So 11 1s are 11, 1s are 11. How many zeros are remaining? 4 zeros. So x is equal to 10,000. So x is the value. What is the value of x? 10,000. What is x here? The meaning of x is original population. The original population is how much? 10,000 are the original population. 10,000 members are there in that town. Okay. Is it clear? So here the question is town's original population take x. After adding 1200 people, it becomes new population. After adding 1200 people, what happened? In that 11% 11% of people are decreased. Okay, after decreasing these people, how much we got? X plus 1200 minus 11% of x plus 1200 is equal to 32 members are less. Before we add 1200 people, what is the before we add 1200 people? What is the age? Sorry, what is the population? X. So x minus how many people are decreased here? How many people are less? 32 people are less. So that x minus 32. Now we have simplified this equation. And finally, we got the value of x as 10,000. 10,000 here. What is 10,000? 10,000 people. 10,000 people are the original population of that town. Okay, is it clear? So I hope you are all clear about these solutions of these three problems, 6, 7, and 8. So by this, the problems solutions of questions in exercise 2.4 are completed. Okay. So I hope you are all clear. Then please do watch our classes and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. We will meet in the next session with exercise 2.5. Till then, bye bye.